Hey guys, I just want to show you another order that I completed for a customer. If you guys didn't know, I am taking orders for watch modifications. I do have my email on the screen right now and in the description if you have anything that you want me to make for you in particular. So please do email me and we can discuss further. I also want to thank all you guys who have sent me emails and questions. I really do appreciate every single email and I do try to respond in the same day. I love to see more people get into modifying, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know and I will get back to you. So let's get on to this modification. This one actually came in pieces first. I had to actually assemble everything. The owner of this watch knew exactly what he wanted. He gave me all of the parts from the case, the movement, the hands, the dial, just everything was sent to me and he knew exactly what he wanted, which was a first for me. Usually with my customers, we exchange ideas and usually come to agreement of something that we both think is cool. Of course, if you like it, that's all that matters. It doesn't really matter about me in the end. It's going to be your watch. But this one is 100% this customer's idea and I think it came out looking great. So let's take a look at it. What we have in front of me is a Seiko SKX mod. I do apologize about the dust on the crystal. We have Mercedes hands, silver minutes and seconds hand with a black Mercedes hour hand, and we have a stunning blue sunburst dial. It's kind of hard to pick up, but it is indeed a sunburst dial. It looks and plays with the light so incredibly well. I just love blue dials. I mean, sunburst blue dials are my thing. I love this particular configuration. The SKX case also has some work on it actually. The case back has been brushed, the sides have been brushed. Now obviously the bezel has also been removed and been replaced with this smooth metal bezel. I believe this is a Murphy bezel. I could be wrong, but I am not aware of any other bezel suppliers that offer the flat smooth bezel, kind of like the Datejust 241 type of bezel. The watch also has a domed sapphire blue AR crystal. This modification also has the crown. I believe this is a samurai crown, and that means this watch is, wait for it, hand winding, as well as hacking. So this SKX does have the NH36 movement upgrade as well, so that it is hacking and hand winding. Let that run for a little bit. And although not visible, I also changed out the date wheel, so it has a kanji date wheel, which is quite popular in the watch community. In case the owner ever wants to switch out the dial so he can see that beautiful date wheel. I actually like this crown a lot. It's very easy to get to for a lot more than your standard SKX crown for sure. For some strange reason, this watch reminds me a lot of my old Rolex Datejust 2 that I used to own, the 116300. I had the black dial one, but there was a blue dial configuration with a similar sunburst dial like this. It is absolutely beautiful. Now it is discontinued, but if you just take a side-by-side look at my Rolex Submariner and the new Seiko mod here, this one looks strangely and reminds me strangely of a Datejust 2. I think it's because the Mercedes hands, just something Rolex does. It's not on the Datejust 2, but it just gives that Rolex taste. Also, the dial configuration very similar, it's not identical to the Rolex Submariner dial. And lastly, the polished smooth bezel on this watch is a very similar character to that of the Datejust 2. If you are interested on taking on a project like this, I do have a video tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial on how to do so, from dial placement, hand installation, hand removal, dial removal, and you can watch that video by clicking the video right there. If you're also interested in the movement upgrade for your Seiko SKX, like this one, just demonstrate it once again. Look at that second hand. hacking, and hand winding. I also have a video tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial, and you can watch that video by clicking the link right there. So yeah, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. Also, if you like this mod or enjoy these type of videos, give this video a thumbs up for more videos like this. And lastly, I welcome you to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. So that's about it. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll leave you with a few slow-mo videos of this watch.